Well, hey folks, how's it all going? Welcome back. And oh man, we're doing a tool review today, folks. And I started buying some of these Bauer power tools, cordless power tools from Harbor Freight here a couple months ago. And I've added to my collection here, folks. I started with the drill, and then I got the right angle grinder, and then I've got this sander, folks. I've got a nice rigid plug-in random orbit sander. I hardly ever use it anymore. I reach for this one all the time, and that battery lasts pretty long. And I've also got a bigger battery on the right arm. I use that too. And even this little cordless vac is pretty handy, and the drill is awesome. So today you're saying, hey, you got a new one, Tom. Yeah, I did. So once you're locked in with the battery, because that's really what it is, that makes you keep on coming back to more power tools from the same brand as the battery, because it's unfortunate. It's too bad that these weren't interchangeable with like the Milwaukee's, or I even have a Black & Decker up there. That would be really awesome, but they don't do that for obvious reasons. So I've got an air compressor, and it's down in the basement. It's where is it? It's over there in the corner. And I don't like to drag that outside just to put some air in the truck tires. So I decided to go all in and purchase one of these. Let's take a look at what we paid for it. Got it obviously at Harbor Freight, and it's 25 bucks. And 0 to 160 psi, and you know what, it's relatively new to the Bauer line, so let's get it out of the box and take a quick look at it. All right, so there it is out of the box, folks. The thing is light. It's like 2 pounds. It doesn't weigh a whole lot. It comes with a couple of little accessories there, the hookup, and it's got a gauge on this side. Apparently you can set it, I think. I'm not sure. I haven't opened up the instructions yet. It says easy to reach pressure gauge with automatic shutoff. Pistol grip handle, that's right there. 19-inch high output pressure, quickly inflates small tires and small inflatables. So I don't know, is that going to work on a truck tire? I don't know. Like I said, mine is just an F-150. High output pressure, quickly inflates small tires, small. Okay. Well, you know what? We need to check it out. Let's put a battery in and see what it sounds like here. Battery fits in it. All right. Well, it works. Let's. I tell you what. Let's go outside and take 5 pounds of air out of a F-150 tire and see if it'll take it back up the pressure. All right, so before starting, you can see in the owner's manual, it does say you can inflate car tires, and it has directions for that. Kind of simple, so maybe we can. All right, folks, out in the garage, let's hook her up and see what it does. So we'll hook it up to our tire. I have not used this yet, so. Well, it hooks up nice, and let's see if it, yeah, actually it is reading the gauge right now, and 32 pounds is what I want in these tires. So you can see we're right around 32 pounds. So let's let some air out. All right, so let's see what we can do here. So when it's inflating, it goes up a little bit, and then when you turn it off, it settles down. So that's right around 32 right there. So it does work. Let's try another tire. That's pretty fun. All right, so I took my front tire way below 30 pounds. 32 pounds, and let's just see what it takes here. All right, I'll continue on. You don't need to watch this, but obviously you ain't going to win any races and you're not going to fill up the whole tire. But if you're just down a couple pounds, I think this is sufficient as opposed to dragging out the compressor and plugging it in, dragging the hose already all over the place. For that little bit, I mean, I'm still at full charge here, so obviously I think it works. So let me finish this up and we'll do one last look-see. All right, folks, one thing I didn't do was show you that I did take my regular tire gauge and compare it against the gauge on this, and it was real close. It was well within a pound. So I'm satisfied with that. Battery from doing both of that, it didn't even phase the battery, and this is just a 20 volt Bauer lithium. If you wanted to go really long, you could use the bigger battery. That's like a 3 hour, and this is 1.5 amp hours, what they call it. So does it work? Yep. Are you going to be filling up full tires on your car from flat with this? Probably not. But will it work instead of dragging a compressor out? If you just want to check your tires and all you need is a pound or 2 or 3 or 5, yes, it'll work for that. 25 bucks, folks. It's fits into the whole Bauer family, runs off of their cordless. It's a keeper for me for the little bit I'm going to use it. It'll be just fine. Hope you enjoyed this. Tom Horseman at YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, folks, can't say it enough. Thanks for watching.